Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to USB boot your Lenovo ThinkPad. And in this case we have the Lenovo Edge. So first of all, what you do, you insert your USB drive in your computer, then you power on your PC. So when you power on, you're going to go ahead and click F12. So on your F12, it will take you to the boot menu, and then you have to click the down arrow key to go to the USB, as you can see here. So when you reach the USB, you're going to click enter, and this will fail to work. Even if you try again, it is going to fail to work. So what you do next is going to be very simple. You're going to go ahead and switch off your PC, or you can restart by clicking Ctrl-Alt-Delete. In my case, I'm going to switch off. So when you switch off, you're going to go to the BIOS system. Then when you go to the BIOS system, you're going to click F1. So when you reach F1, and it will take you to the main menu, as you can see. So on your main menu, you're going to click the right arrow key, and it will take you to the configurations. So we have the USB here that's giving us problems, the other side. So you're going to go ahead and click the down arrow key and press enter. So when you press enter, it will take you here on what you see right now here. And you're going to go ahead and click enter. Click the down arrow key, enter, enable. Do the same here, enable. And then after, you're going to click F10 to save changes, as you can see. F10 to save changes. So I'm going to click my F10 here, and then I'll click enter. And then the computer will restart. Immediately you have to click F12. Then we go to the boot menu. Then the computer will beep and to take us to the boot menu. As you can see, we have our boot menu here, and we have the USB itself. I'm going to click the down arrow key. I'll click enter. So when I click enter, to ask to click any key so that it continues to go and load files from the USB. As you can see, it's working. So you have to wait for it for a few seconds. Then you'll see the progress bar loading to indicate that it's reading files from the USB drive itself. So this will take a few seconds, and then the progress bar will start loading. This means our process is successfully working. And then it will take us here to the Windows setup, where you start installing the Windows. In our case here in this video, we are showing you how to enable USB boot option, and also how to USB boot your Lenovo ThinkPad Edge, and this would work on other ThinkPads. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified. Also comment, share, and like this video. Have a nice time. Goodbye.